At Fool, we collect floral waste from places of worship before they get dumped into the river. The floral waste is then handcrafted by marginalized women into completely natural certified consumer products like incense and colors via flower cycling. They are then listed on Fool's website and sold pan India.
Because we are a nascent brand trying to sell incenses online, we really place a lot of focus on our storytelling. And the second most important experience for us is the customer experience. Right from the customers getting the products to the fact that how they like the product, what is their feedback, so on and so forth. As we have scaled, another very important factor which is becoming sort of a pillar of our marketing efforts is customer retention. The problem with our email campaigns or the problem with the way we were interacting with our consumers was that we just collecting the data and then sending out bulk emails. Every consumer has a preference for an XYZ kind of a fragrance. While we tried a few things on the website, we tried a few email campaigns, etc. We didn't really have the intelligence to support those campaigns. WebEngage startup program has given us a very solid understanding of how to go about retention and growth. We don't really have the technical expertise or the industry experience of leveraging a platform like Web. The second is there's a lot of reading material and use cases, etc., that you can sort of go through. There's a lot of journeys because WebEngage has worked with companies from multiple verticals. But with WebEngage, what we realized is that we could slice and dice our consumers in a much more efficient manner. One, to reach out to them on multiple mediums, increasing the probability of them actually interacting with the brand. Three, it was very real time. So it was not just about past consumers, but it was also about the traffic that our paid campaigns was bringing on our website. We were able to understand, okay, fine, there's this X cohort of consumers who has a general liking for fragrances which are floral in nature. And we could put all of that together and send an emailer with communication stating which floral fragrance has what benefits. And so we've had a 33% increase in conversion rate by sending hyper-personalized communication over multiple touch points. In my opinion, the future looks exciting because we've already signed up with WebEngage and we are from being a startup program member to a customer. So I actually foresee a lot of good that is going to come our way because of the program and the learnings that we've had.